It's a great day for a drive in a 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel in black with black and ruby interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and about a 5.5-foot box. This vehicle has a 5.7 liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It has a nice lined box. It's got a spray-in liner. It's also got a power sliding window, power moonroof, navigation, and reverse camera. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. And stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5.7 liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and your passenger seat is manually adjusted. You have all weather mats on the floor, your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and you've got a grab handle and a running board, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, and you also have your hands-free dialing. As well, you have your volume control. And then this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, and you're seeing that nice Rebel badging, and you also have the menu. Up top, there's a little cubby. You also have a 12 volt, and then we're seeing the display screen. So we have AM, FM, and it's just loading the navigation there. As well, I'm just going to go into a few other things here while we're at it. There's the home and the map for the navigation. And in your controls, this is your heated seat for both driver and passenger and the heated steering wheel. You also have the mirror dimmer, backup camera, and your settings. And actually, when we go in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So there's the center line, green, yellow, red is how close you're approaching other vehicles or objects when going in reverse. And then you have your different options here that you can go into as well. So the climate is showing you the dual climate control there, your front and rear defrost, your AC and max AC. So there's your volume and tuner there, hazard lights, heated seats. So you can control things on the screen or down below. And there's your AC, your dual climate control, front and rear defrost, integrated trailer brake controller, traction control, tow haul, your rear sensors, and you've got front sensors. There's your dial shifter, your 4x4, your hill descent, axle lock. Down below, USB and USB-C. There's 2 sets there, auxiliary, and then you've got your DVD or CD, player. And I just discovered this too. This slides open, and there's even more stuff down below. So you've got a 115 volt, lots of room. You just press that there. You've got your cup holders, more storage. You can unclip this. That's really deep. And then you can also open the top, and there's a USB outlet there. So lots of places to connect and power up. Now Maddie's with us today, and she's just reminding you that when your animals are in your vehicle, make sure they're properly secured. We're not going anywhere, so Maddie's okay in the front seat, but she would either have a harness or be in a kennel. And the other thing is, Island Ford is pet friendly, so bring your pets in. We're happy to see them. We have treats, big screen TV, a lounge, and we even have coffee for our 2-legged guests. So don't forget, they're people too, and part of the family. So we want them comfortable and safe. And then off to the side here, we have a Rebel badging and 2 glove compartments, grab handle in the body. You also have an auto dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are up top here, universal garage door opener, and you also have your SOS assist. There's the twin panel moonroof. You can tilt and slide and open this up just by pushing a button. And you also have the screen as well. You've got a window in the rear, and that's powered, and you just press that and you're all set to go. And Maddie is ready to head into the dealership. 2-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and black running board, body colored door handle with easy entry, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Driver's side fuel cap. In the rear, the black handle extends to the tailgate, and your backup camera is just above that handle. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer tow hitch, as well as backup sensors. And you also have a rear sliding window. And when you're ready, just put your hand in the latch. You can open up that tailgate, and you've got these nice rails with box link, as well it is a spray-in liner. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage And speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you're seeing these nice ruby accents. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you have your armrest with a couple of cup holders. Just flips right up, and then push the seat up into the upright position. It gives you more room on the floor, and then you simply push it down and it's back in the regular seated position. You also have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. All weather mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have a couple of cup holders. You also have USB, USB-C, as well as your 115 volt, and the vents are on either side here. Up top, this nice twin panel moonroof. You also have lighting and hooks. In the back, you've got your speakers up top there, and a sliding window in the rear. Back bumper, 5.5-foot box that's lined, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.